Already last class we have seen what is the JDBC and what is the structure of the JDBC and what are the most important package, class, interface. Got it? And what are the
Yeah.
importance of the IP address, service name, port number, and whatever the addition you will be use of the Oracle we have used. Inside that, what are the most important class interface we have discussed, and what are the execution flow of the JDBC. Got it?
Correct.
So
Yes.
our main part is that this one we are creating. No, next class. Where is our Java? Yesterday we have created. Okay. So do you have done already? What are the use of that? Okay, I think this one is the yesterday class. Or other class. Okay. Package different. So yesterday we have created the how to register, how to communicate, and how to create a table. Am I right?
Correct.
So
Correct.
major part is that what is a execute update. Am I right? And which part belongs to the JDBC we will be discuss. Execute update, execute query. Two method is also required to know about that. So JDBC query classified into two types. JDBC query classified into two types. You can write JDBC query classified into two types. First, you can say select query. Second, non-select. You can say non-select query. Okay. So what is a non-select query? Can you say anything else? Through the Oracle means whatever the Oracle inside that. What are the non-select query?
Maybe create, insert,
Okay.
delete, update, all DML operations.
So you know about that already. What are the non-select? Insert, update, delete, create, drop, etc. This is the belongs to the non-select query. Right?
Right.
Then
Yeah.
what are the select query?
Only select statement.
Select statements. The two way we can use of that. Whenever you will be use what? Non-select, that time you will be use that execute update method and pass the parameter in string. Got it?
Okay.
And
Mm-hmm.
whenever you will be use the select query, that time you will create a select query methods is there. Select query method is there. Okay.
I'm saying.
Okay. Did you record it or not?
I don't know. How do I know that?
See, there is also
Yes,
one.
section is recorded.
Okay.
Yeah, now it is getting, now this section is being recorded. Now I'm seeing that.
Okay. No, some instruction is provided. If you will be go to press inside bottom of the chatting, you will be get. Okay. So right now our session is recording. Okay. So where we have inside that. So whenever you will be get select query, that time you will be use select query methods. Right now we are using execute update. Okay. Right now we are using execute update. Execute update for that create, update, insert, delete and drop. This kind of information when we'll use, that time you will be use execute update. Got it? And it has a return type int, means whatever the value will be hold inside the int only, because they are counting whatever the table or not. Hello?
Yeah.
Execute update, return type is there int, because they are count all the data, how many table, all those things. That's why they are using of that. But whenever we will be use select, means we will use select query, that time result type, return type will be, return type will become the result set. I will be show in the program what are the result set. Result set, what did you learn result set about? Result set is a interface. Result set is a interface. Got it? Hello?
Row set or result set?
Result set, result set, I'm saying that result set is also, this is also belongs to that. Result set inside the row set method. Okay. Result set also we have interface. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
So they are holding the whatever the we have record in the table, they are hold in the result set. But whenever you will be pass the result set reference in the SOP, they will be give you hash code. They will be give you hash code. But how you will be identify how many table inside that, then that time we will use while loop. Inside the while loop we will be implement that. So I will be showing the program also. Got it?
Yeah.
So did you understand what are the select or non-select query? Or you have need to
Yes.
the, you have need to the some syntax also required as
No,
a
that's
method.
fine. Already I've shown execute update we already seen. Now you can go ahead and shows uh, the select query method.
Okay, okay. So now we will go, suppose we have already we have done this one last class. Now see, whenever our table, this is the result set. This is the result set. Okay. And we are retrieving the data from the employee. So we will be use, okay, select EMP, select star from EMP. So we are getting all whatever the predefined method means variable will insert it. Right now we will get, suppose if I will be pass I will be pass that RS result set value. Okay. So what you have expect if I will be compile this program? What kind of a output they will be provide? Can you say?
All rows needs to be displayed
All?
in the EMP table. All rows needs to be displayed on the EMP table.
No, no, they will be not, they will be represent only for the hash code. They will represent only hash code. Through that, you cannot identify how many table and data inside that. That's why we are using of the result set next method. Okay. Through that, they will be treat as a, see through that.
Is that work as like a cursor? So it
Yes,
will
yes,
print
yes,
one by
yes,
one?
yes, you are right. They will be print as like
Okay.
a cursor. Okay. That scenario already discussed, I think, whenever we will discuss the collection. Right? they will be print. Okay. RS result set. They print as that. Whatever the value will be go, they will be check one by one. Got it? As a address. Are you getting? Hello. This one,
Okay.
whenever then this one will go to the next, they will be check how many whatever the value they will be go, then first go to the do while. After checking the if condition, they will go to the do live, and then they will be get the data, whatever the value inside that, we will be get the data. You already recall on your mind encapsulation. We have already how to set the path and how you will be call. Got it? So through the business class already encapsulation, we are creating a getter setter. We are getting getter setter or not? Get method and set method means value will be also inserted. Right now we will be retrieve. So through the reference variable, we will be pass whatever the name of the value inside the employee we will get. After that they will be get the record. There is a no record. After executing successful, they will be pass the message record is not there. See, we are getting all record. Hello.
Yeah.
So whatever we have already,
Let me
whatever we have already inserted that, we can easily to retrieve through the console in the Java. Yeah. What are you asking?
no. Let me execute the statement. Just show me the source code. I'm typing it.
Okay. Okay. You can. You can send.
So why did we write a connection statement over here?
Pardon?
Line number, I mean, 4 in the main
Connection.
class.
Connection.
Not that one.
Then
The next one.
statement.
Yeah. Yeah. Why is that we record the statement now?
For creating the statement, they will be create the statement to communicate with the database. They are responsible to that. Here you will be learn statement and prepare a statement. Whatever the data will be there, first they will be communicate to them. And every time, how many times they will be gave, they will create separately of the through the statement. Did you remember about that? What are the Java JDBC execution flow? Can you say?
Yeah, I remember the 5 steps.
Okay.
Register and you know, give the connection to the database, then create statement, execute, and close.
Okay. So they are first registered, then get the connection successfully, then they are creating a statement, and through that you can achieve whatever your value will be passed. And then we are getting the value. Send me what are you are sending to me right now. See, whenever we are creating a table, we are responsible to that. We will be insert a value also. You will be insert a value also. Okay. Are you sending your code? Hello.
No. Hang on. No, what do you want me to send?
You said to me I will be sent to your code. Are you facing any problem inside that?
Yeah. What are the things that I need to include? That's what I'm just checking.
Okay, okay. So
Driver manager, state.
last class we have already know how to create a table, and this is the way to communicate with how to insert the value. After that we have responsibility to how to retrieve. So will you write this code in your program right now?
I'm just writing that.
Okay.
For result set, what is that I need to import? I don't see anything that you included in your program.
Result set.
Yeah, I should import result set. Import statement should be there.
Yes, result set is there also. We have
No, no. What is
we have
that?
we have also
Okay,
put SQL.result set. This is also interface.
okay.
So what are the most important interface class we have need to the required to import here?
SQL connection, driver manager,
Yes.
SQL exception, statement.
This we are a import here. The all class interface is a predefined inside that. They are accessed through only. If it will be not jar file, they will be not work properly. That's why we have need to know. And what are the specific rule of that? What is the specific rule of that? That kind of information is required to learn. Then easily you will be do that in any application. Got it?
Yeah,
So will you run this program in your system right now?
I'm running.
Okay.
Hang on.
So is it required to send to you?
No, you just keep it like that. I'm just typing that. I'm just trying to display now the result set value.
Okay.
Once I succeed, maybe I'll run through the while loop.
Okay. Okay. So what about your remaining team member also done this program? Hello, Mr. Ram is there? Think. Hello.
Sanju, no, I'm not doing coding now.
Why? Is it good your system?
Just I'm not. Yeah, everything is good, but I actually I'm not on this one code, so after that I will execute one by one.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So you cannot write.
Yeah, I am able to see the result set hash code.
Result set has code. You are saying that this one?
Yeah,
Okay. So did you get result code has code?
yeah.
So this is the way. So whenever as a people will also ask the interview, okay, tell me if your RS is a hold all data record of the employee, how you will be identify directly? Is it possible to SOP? So you can say no. If you will pass the in SOP, they will be get the hash code only of the address. So better to do you can do pass through that. If for a while based on the requirement, whatever the requirement you can do, there will be scenario. So right now we have mentioned the if fields inside that do while we will be mention.
Hang on, I'm just writing now the do while loop. Just give me 5 minutes, I'll type that.
Okay, okay, you can.
Why we kept if statement first before doing the do while?
See inside the if they will be check. Next method is belongs to which cursor? Can you say which cursor belongs to next? They will be check is it valid? They will be pass the condition. They will check as a true means Boolean data type. They will be check value is there true or not means value inside that. If there they will be insert inside the do. See, we will go to
Okay.
result set. You will be go. You will go the java.sql. Then you will be go to the result set. Inside the result set interface, we have a sub interface also. Row set, all those things. Okay. Then we have here you will be get result set. See this equation implement here or not. See this one where implement as same got it. Then you will be see the some methods also here. Close cursor at committed, console fetching, unknown typecasting scroll, absolutely before, cancel get, delete first, get array, get next, okay, deprecated this one, get boolean, blob, byte, data, get blob, get data to that, okay, then see how many method is there. Based on that, suppose we are using the get int. If you will be retrieve that data int employee number, through that you can achieve. If you will be use another char or string, you can will be also achieve. More number of method there. Get string name. If you want to the string name you will want to achieve, you can do that. See get row also there. Get row ID. Based on the requirement, people get statement also you can call. Get time, get string. See how many methods based on the requirement you can only use on that.
Yeah, show me once the while loop syntax. Let me complete the typing.
Yeah.
Where did you close the statement? You didn't close it, right?
No, I'm not close here. But
Why?
you should close. You should close, because if you will be not close, they will be means whenever another will be, they will be not execute, means they will give you priority to next operation. So that's why we have recommended to close. In your system run this program?
No, I'm just still typing it.
Okay.
I think it executed, but it displaying the else statement, not the all the records data. It is not displaying.
Because did you find this one is that in your pass, the based on the data type, whatever you have passed, int number, if you will pass the get string, name, also salary, float. So did you
No, no, no. Hang on, hang on.
means insert the record inside the employee? Because if you will be insert the record, then you will be get.
Hang on. There I did not commit it. I just inserted it.
Okay.
I got the problem. Okay. If I run, I should get it. Yeah, I got it.
Got it? So this is the way
Yeah.
to create, insert all those things.
Mm-hmm.
So mostly in the real time people are not using a statement. Mostly they are using for the prepare statement. And that's why people are also asking what is different between statement and prepare statement. Okay. So I will be give you
Mm-hmm.
some real time what are the difference. Both are interface. Okay. Both are interface. Prepare statement also come inside the statement. Means whatever he has a features, prepare statement also used, but they have extra features also include. Got it? So sometime you will be see the in hierarchy also statement inside the prepare statement inside the global statement also you will be see we have some hierarchy. I think we have some hierarchy yesterday I created. We have no, this one is not the creating. See, we have, that's better to do that. This one. See, we are seeing that we have a statement. Got it? We have a statement.
Okay.
Are you getting?
Yes.
See, and a statement have a create a statement method or not?
Okay.
Okay, and then driver manager. Whenever you see the first program, we will go to the driver manager, then go to the gate connection.
Okay.
After that, connectivity based on that what you have requirement. If you will be the statement, you will be use the create statement. If you will be prepare statement, you will be use prepare statement method. If you will callable statement, you will prepare call methods. Got it?
Okay.
And then based on your requirement, you will be use three methods also: execute method, execute update, execute query, and simple execute method also. But real time they have not using of that because based on the requirement here we are not specify which purpose we are using of that. So mostly people are using on the execute update and execute query. Then you will be so go to the result set. Inside the result set we have a next methods we are getting, and based on that we will be retrieve the value. Got it? If you will be use inside that execute methods also, they have to the get more result set also you will pass. Got it? This diagram, through this diagram you are getting some idea.
Yeah.
So this is the way to learn and the life cycle how internally work. I will be call here also. So now, so did you understand this program?
Yeah.
So simply we have create the table, and if you have possible you can write the comment also for the better understanding, because mandatory to all those things. Already I gave the some snap how to, means they have declare on that, means one by one people will say that okay I will need to only for registration or connection acknowledgement. Yesterday you have discussed, so you will be do that. And then already we have how to insert from the Java application to database. You can pass through that. Then we have also we will be go to the prepare statement. So can you say what are the difference right now? Prepare statement and statement. Can you say a little bit? What did you get idea? Hello.
Statement. No, I didn't get
See,
actually the
see.
main difference
Suppose,
between
suppose,
this.
suppose you are thrust about the water. Okay. You have need to the
Mhm.
water. Okay. So every time you will be bring your water bottle and go to the filter. Okay. Means
Okay.
suppose you have need to the 10 time you will be go to the first floor to the ground floor. So is it very for you or not? Means
Okay.
suppose you will be go to the 5 time or 10 time, it will sometime you will face the problem. Am I right? Means
Okay.
how many time you have execute query, they will be execute a specific. Am I right? You have need to those instrument where you carry much amount of the water and you will be utilized. You will be not spend the much time also to go every time first floor to the second floor or ground floor. Am I right? So what we'll do,
Okay.
on that time you will be bring the one filter. Am I right? You will be bring the one filter and put in your cabin.
Mm-hmm.
That will better or not?
Yeah.
The same thing happen here also. If you will use the prepare statement, you have no need to the every time you have execute. Only one time they will execute and compile entire whatever you send the value. That's why behalf of the value, whatever the value we have a pass, whatever we value pass, we will pass positional parameter. What will pass? Positional parameter. Through the positional parameter, they will be solve the complexity of that. Got it, my
Okay.
friend? So see, we have
Mm-hmm.
right just we have a prepare statement and now we are using a positional parameter. You can say question
Okay.
mark. In the real time, you can say the question mark. But this is the positional parameter. Technical word, you can say that positional parameter. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
The simple way right now, first you can see the what are the most execution flow of the prepare statement. Then I will be teach you good way for this program. First, you can write the prepare statement. Prepared statement. Okay. So what we'll say, prepare statement is also used to send the query to the database. Am I right? As well as same is a
Mm-hmm.
statement also. See, we have already statement interface. So inside that sub interface, what? Prepare statement means something different will be prepared. Got it or
Mm-hmm.
not? Suppose whatever you face the problem in your life, you should inform to your child or not for getting
Mm-hmm.
a less amount of time.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose you are doing the work and you are getting the experience. So after getting the experience, you will be say, see, if you will do this like of the work, you will be face the much time. So don't do like you can do that. Means they have a facility. Your child will get the facility from you to how to customize the time, how to utilize the resource, and they will be grow and enhance day by day. Am I right? Based on your experience.
Yes.
Based on your experience. The same thing happen here. Statement is also doing that, but a statement have a sub interface. They're giving the some instruction. Okay, we are doing the same work both, but you have some extra feature. If you will be learn from me. Am I right? They are giving the some extra feature if you will be take. So that's why prepare statement have a same feature whatever the statement, but they have a extra feature. That extra feature is a not useful for the statement. That extra feature used for the prepare statement. Suppose your child will become different job and good job compared to you. So they have extra feature to him or not.
Yeah.
The same thing happen here. So
Mm-hmm.
So you can say that prepare statement is also used to send the query to the database server. Prepare statement improve the performance. You can write prepare statement. Will you write or I will be right here that you will write. Can you say?
Yeah, we will write.
Okay. So prepare statement improve the performance of the Java application when compare with, you can write that's better. Prepare, don't make space. Okay. Right now I'm making space because there will be some syntax error. Prepare statement improve the performance of Java application when when compared with statement. Okay, statement object you can say. Then By using preparation also we can perform CAD operation, means whatever you have operation performed through the statement, we can do same. We can do same. Got it? Then what are the extra, means you will be execution flow, what we'll do? So inside that we have execution flow. What first can you say the execution flow of the JDBC? Hello?
Just now I told you, right? 5 steps.
No, here some step will be extend, some information will be include. Okay, they will do the same. Register the JDBC driver, then get the connection from the database server. Got it? And then create a prepare statement object by supplying a query as a input. That query must conditional positional parameter. What conditional? You have already one. You will be as 1, 2 concept. You have already done 3. In 3, there will be sorry. Create a prepare statement object by supplying query as input. This query must contain, okay, positional parameters. So did you understand what is the positional parameter? Simple.
Yeah.
This is the positional parameter. You can say how. As an example, you can take insert into imply values. Suppose you have this one. So whenever you will be go to the simple, we are pass value or not. So behalf of the pass the value, we insert the positional parameter. Got it?
Yeah.
Then next we will go they are getting, okay, no worry. We'll go supply the values to positional parameter by using set method. You can write set method or get method. They have some external syntax code, means method name. Right now set name, or you can write a set number. So on that basis, as a technical, you can say that, okay, on the behalf of triple X, you will say that employee name, employee salary, whatever you will pass. This is the understanding purpose we are using. Okay, this one, and then execute the query. Then execute the query by calling execute update method, or you can say execute query method, execute methods, and then you can say that 6, you will be go to the close the connection. So this is the way. First we will go to the register JDBC driver, then get the connection to database, then create a prepare statement object by supplying a query as an input. This query must contain a positional parameter As an example, you can say, and supply the value to the positional parameter by using a set. Means suppose you have a create one encapsulation or business class. Inside, suppose you are creating a employee name, salary, address. So employee name you can put here, employee salary name you will put here, employee address name you will put here. All there will be set with name. So that's why as a technical way you will be see in your documentation file whenever you develop any application, they will be mentioned there. Based on that business class you will be modify methods and execute the query by calling the execute update means whatever the requirement based on that then you will be close the connection. So you can write the this one. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can write. If you understand the flow, internal details easily you can do and easily you can learn also self. Okay. Is there any network problem? I think something your colleague will be. Only you are online. What about remaining your team?
I think a couple of guys is not there today. Yesterday and today they are busy in another meetings.
Okay, okay. So they all are understand or not? Because if you are not getting proper, that's the problem. Are you getting all those things?
Yeah, I'm able to follow. That's fine.
What about Mr. Ram? Is it good?
Yeah,
See,
yeah, she's good.
our motto is that anyhow you will be deploy and yourself in the project. Okay.
Yeah,
Whatever I said to you, if you have in the future some time problem, you can also ask.
sure, sure,
Because teaching means not
sure.
only for giving the knowledge one-sided, we have need to need the both side requirement. Okay.
Yeah.
Whenever you will be implement this information in your project, you will be enjoy. I want to see that like.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Okay. No,
Yeah, all right.
sometimes.
Show me the program. We'll try to execute that.
Okay, okay. So this one we will be this one not we have this one we will use the old program console you can write. See, my hope is that people are very difficult to come in the Java because he are face the problem in the market to listen tough. And whatever people reach here, and if I will give the information, again he will be not getting anything, means sometime getting the war. Very. Because people are making the all those things good way and again we will be not getting the anything, means they are not giving the time to understand the importance of the Java. As my thinking. So are you writing this code?
Yeah, I'm writing that.
Okay, okay, you can. Sorry.
What is a P statement dot set int 1 comma 102? What do you mean by 1 there?
See, this is the index. This is the index. They are following the index. Okay, they are following the index. Through that index, we can pass. So better to that, you can go the our API. Then you can go prepare statement, because what are the parameter they will pass, you will understand. This is the also prepare statement. Okay, sorry. See, this is the super class for prepare statement or not? Parent class, not super
Okay.
class. You can say this is the parent class for prepare statement or not.
Okay.
That's why we are also discussed in the last minute. So object, okay, they are object prepare recompile SQL statement. SQL statement is a recompile and store the prepare statement object. This object can be the used to efficiently execute the statement multiple time. They are used multiple time. Means suppose, okay, then setter methods. We have a set sort. Right now we have put based on the sort. We have a put here triple X. So as a developer, you will understand after set method, you have a some class name. See, we have a class name and so on. This is the predefined. That's what they are mentioned on that. In parameter value must be a specified type compatible with identify SQL type of the input parameter. For instance, if in parameter has SQL type integer, then the method get int set int. So we have already here we have mentioned the set int. We are mentioned or not?
Mm-hmm.
So should we use integer type? Then attributary parameter have a conversation required. The method set object should be used with their target SQL type. And how you will be configure, you can also see that the following example, setting a parameter con parameter active connection prepare statement ps pstmt.
Mm-hmm.
You are getting psmt.
Yeah.
Why we are PSMT shortcut? Because they are already configured in the API. So you can write. People will easily to understand. Another, suppose this will be the custom or user defined. That's why we will modify based on the custom, but they are a predefined. That's why we are using a PSTMT. Got it?
Oh, PSTMT is a predefined one.
Yeah, predefine the reference variable. Predefine reference variable.
So
See, we have
I
predefined.
cannot use whatever name I want over there.
Suppose, yeah, you can use, suppose you will be use, okay, suppose that you will be use as a, suppose you will be use a small p and this one, okay, this will be take the some space, much space compared to PSTMT or not.
Okay.
So that's why, otherwise another developer also understand PST prepare statement means PSTMT also sort difference variable. So you have no need to that. If it will be the custom, it will be the user defined means by you and by me, then you can mention this one. If you only refer to another class or another package, another reference people, they will understand. But if you will use the PSTMT, people will easily to understand, oh, this is the belongs to the reference of the prepare statement. So we have a no vary. Got it?
Okay.
So that's why sometime you will be get con. Con means people easily to understand. This is belongs to the connection. See, you will be get the connection also statement. We have connection. See, we are getting a con or not?
Mm-hmm.
So these are configured in API. That's why I focus to on the rules. People are do not focus on the rules and they are very in the technology. Everyone say to you, please you should focus on the rules. If you will be know the rules, means 80% you know. If you have faced the logical any problem, that's why we have need to the team. Inside the teams, people will support to the 20% whatever you have faced problem. But people are do not focus on the 80% knowledge, they focus only 20%. And they have a face the entire life. That's the problem arise in the IT market. If people will good in the 80% in the rules, they will be enjoy the jobs. That's the different Indian means whatever we have faced right now, the more number of peoples and other country.
Okay.
Got it? So all are predefined. That's why I'm focus. See, whenever you will be learning, the people are do not touch to API also. I saw more number of way to here and there. People do not try to teach entire life after completing 22 years of the Java. They do not touch to the API. That's the very. They are saying that what is API? API means group of the methods. Is it definition right? Can you say? Suppose that if I say to people, if I will not discuss how to create a API, what are the instructions inside the API, is it possible to understand if I will not call here? Is it possible to understand to you? Also tell me.
Yeah, I understand what you're trying to explain.
Yeah, people are saying that directly this belongs to the API, that's enough. They do not say that where you will be get. Suppose I will teach to you English, I will not give the information ki how you will be say, how you will see all the entire information about A alphabet, A for apple or anything else. The same thing happen. If I will not teach you based on the what are the package, what are the class, inside the class, what are the method, people are very to learn and it, as well as development. But thank God those developer who is still without knowing all those things, they are doing that specific task and run now. If people will teach based on that, they will be enjoy and whatever will be problem and whatever the new thing will become, they will be easily to adopt this one. Got it?
Yeah.
So they are all methods they are using what based on the requirement in the future you will be use glob blob file matching all method name also are belongs to the Oracle they are used here. Map, close, read, native SQL is valid or not, prepare statement. They are also pass the parameter, prepare statement. See, we have prepare
Mm-hmm.
statement. They are part string or not. Got it?
Yeah.
So based on that, they have whatever they have requirement based on the parameter a constructor. They are also mentioned in the document file whenever you do the project. Okay, what technology you have required? You should ask or your team leader will ask what technology based you want to develop this application. So please give me your requirement because after development your project they have also need to the maintenance also they are required. Suppose they will be develop the application based on your requirement. Sometime they will be not interested to maintain this progress from you. What will do? Finally, they will face problem or not.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why client will be give you requirement. I have right now, we have some software in this technology. This is all are open source. In the future also we can maintenance do that. So you should, whenever you develop the application, you should prepare the good documentation file. You can prepare the analysis file. You can implement the implementation file, all architecture. Only you will be the copy. There also you will say what are the class, what are the interface, what are the vested class, what are the methods. You will be also see there. And people are doing the based on that only. Got it? My point? So
Yeah.
all are predefined. You will be get in the document file. I think already you have so only in your real life. Already you know about that. So based on that, you will be utilized. And you have also two API. What are the two API? Can you say? You have a two API.
Yeah, I mean Java SC, JSE and J2E API.
No, this is the different. Another also proprietary and public.
Oh, proprietary and public API. Understood.
So
Yeah.
this one is the public. Suppose that if you will go to the IBM or you will go to the Google or Facebook, another people, they are also creating a same concept based on that, but they are proprietary for the specific company purpose.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose they have a purchasing another framework, you will be work based on that.
Correct.
So got it? My point, what I'm saying to you. So see, we have a
Yeah.
prepare statement, they have also parameter. So based on the rollback, based on the requirement, you can implement and you will be use it.
Okay.
So your program has been run?
Yes.
So this is the way of the prepare statement. Same thing happen is the execute, update, all those things will be come through the prepare statement also. See, prepare, execute, update. You can also the prepare, execute, update. Whenever you will be do that, you have need to update. Suppose student name said student number and positional parameter. That's why you can update also. You can do that. So this is the way whatever you have in your syllabus, I am discuss and CUD operation. Okay.
So you mean to say this is what is a CUD operation?
Yes, this is also follow the CUD operation. This will be also follow CUD operation. Already discussed inside that you have a prepare student improve the performance of the application when compared with the statement object, and they have also doing the CUD operation, create, update and delete, whatever done through the statement. Got it? But advantage is that for the performance achieve, they have will fast compared to the statement, and real time they also people are prefer to this one.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So this is the way to learn, and if you have any other code I will be also send to you in a PDF. Okay.
When are you going to send that?
Maybe all those people, all code I will be sent to you. Whatever we will discuss, I will be direct copy paste all those, and more all supporting code I will be sent to you. Okay.
I'm sorry, Sanjeev. I've been requesting you since more than 2 weeks.
Yeah, yeah.
Whatever you are showing on the demo, that we are doing it, then and there itself. At least in my case, okay.
Okay.
There is no point in you sending those in a PDF, and we making practice will not help us.
So in this scenario, you have not means supporting to your practice.
No, whatever you showed me on the screen by sharing it, I am executing them then and there itself.
Okay.
Since day one.
Okay.
So if you send those programs again to me in a PDF, it will not help because of those things already I have completed.
Okay. So inside that, after that, I will be send some scenario use case whenever you will do that. Okay.
I mean, yeah, I expected these things you will be giving us, much earlier. I don't know. After you said today is the last class, so what is that the document is up to my expectation or not? I don't know. Until I see that, I cannot comment on that. Because you are having a much more experience and you are seeing the things on a different level, so example will be easy for you, but I would like to imagine how you are trying to imagine that. So that's where I am keep on requesting you to give additional scenarios or give additional examples or case studies, so that I will have a much better grip of understanding the way you presented, yeah, in terms of a Java API, what methods, or class, what interface. I'm absolutely happy with that. But if you could provide some case studies examples or exercise examples, it will help me in getting a grip on development.
See.
Until then, I mean, whatever you said, I'll be executing it. That's it. I'm good. But when will I write off my own? I don't know. Like until I search some example, I do some project 100%. Then only I'll be able to imagine those things. But I'm requesting if you could give me some that thought process by giving kind of a case studies or exercises that will help us.
Okay, I understand you have requirement to the case study. I will be give you. Already I told you. But matter is that first, whatever you have a syllabus, based on the syllabus, I will be complete. This is the first task. After that, how you will be implement in the real life, I will be sent to the use case also. Remaining thing is based
Okay.
on remaining thing is your based on the practice, and what are the you are get, what kind of your project you will be get for the development, all are based on the requirement, what kind of requirement will we get. So directly you cannot say that which will be implement. Matter is that first whatever the most properly scenario is that, and you whatever you have a syllabus I will be complete, then remaining things you will be based on the use case you can do that.
All right, Sanjeev. I mean, I presented enough from my side because what I am expecting from you. I just presented it. Whatever you can do, you do it. That's it. I mean, at the moment, I
See,
don't think I'll be able to
I
explain more
I
than
I
this.
complete based on the whatever you have syllabus. If you want to see that means we have developed the web-based application, or if you want to say that we have a HTML file, hit the data and then go to the Java application and database application, that time you will go to the advanced Java. J2E part is that.
I'm not expecting those things will be part of the exercise. Whatever topics you covered,
Yes.
whatever demo programs you are given, that is not the ultimate thing that we can do. We can do much more better programs in core Java. I'm requesting you to give those program examples.
So I will be sent to you. I will be sent to the some sort of search engine, whatever we have to the algorithm program in the core Java, some scenario. I will be sent to you. Don't worry about that. That I'm responsible. I will be sent to you the practice. Any
All
remaining
right.
thing is that you can say. You will be not
No,
worry.
if you are posting a question, did you practice? What is that you expect
Practice.
for us to practice?
You see,
Whatever you showed on the screen that we are executing, what else we need to practice? I should know.
okay.
I don't know what to practice. That is what I'm requesting you to give me the practice examples.
So I told you na today I will be sent to you. Actually, we are also class inside that. We have not a specific time for that. So I want to whatever I've delivered to you, I want to collect on that. So directly I will be give the topic wise assignment to you. Okay. So that's
Yeah,
the way.
fine. That's fine. I mean,
Okay.
this is
Topic
what
wise,
I expected. So I
topic wise I
presented.
prepare, and also topic wise I prepare as some banking domain project. Okay. So based on I will be sent to you also how a banking transaction will be work based on the core Java. Okay.
Okay, no problem. I'm not expecting that you'll be including applet or servlet and etc.
No, no, no.
But whatever topics we covered, yeah, within that range, if you can give us some kind of
Okay.
practice examples, that will be help for us.
Think here also not here. So I'm preparing on that means whenever you will be get the requirement, what are the based on the requirement and whatever I teach to you in the core Java, based on that you can do that. Okay.
Okay.
So remaining things, if you have any other things, you can do that because our time is also deadline. He had time and course. So based on that, I will be complete. Okay.
I understand. As a commitment, what not from a faculty perspective, from Multisoft perspective, I expected these practice sessions or these practical examples must have been documented by now already. So that is what is expecting and that is what I'm asking. But I never expected you are preparing for me out of the class.
No, no, no. Are you right now? You have faith to send to mail or not? Sanjeev will be sent to document all question or not? Can you say?
No, you asked me 2 weeks back. You asked us to send an emails of all our email details, so I sent you. And after that, you told me like Amit will be giving me those things. For Amit, I addressed once. He did not respond. I sent a follow-up mail. These are the
Actually,
three communications that happened.
some 2 or 3 days have some problem for that health issue. Okay, so
Sorry.
right now Amit have some health issue, so they are not reach here. Okay, so
Okay,
go
that's
from there.
fine. I mean,
But I request to you, I will be sent to all practice paper one by one. If you have possible, I will be give you some solution also I will be give you. So you can trust on me. Okay. This is my
no
choice.
issue.
Not any
That's
or
fine.
that, any student or anything. So my motto is that whatever you have get the depth on based on that I will be give you the task. Okay.
Sanjeev, I'll tell you this training motto also. We are already on the project.
Okay.
We supposed to write and deliver, the programs. So we do not have any other option other than we need to develop and get a grip on these things. We will not have any interview kind of a stuff, but we have a clear-cut deadline when are we going to deliver on Java. Okay, so we are brand new to Java, so we are exposed to other technologies, but we did not expose to Java. That is where we started learning Java. All right, so that's what our requirement is all about.
Okay. So right now, get you
So,
did you get the confidence on the Java or not? Can you say?
yes, certainly.
That
Yeah, I really appreciate the way you presented the Java. So before attending your sessions, after attending your sessions, yeah, there is a clear-cut attitude change in myself, the way I'm looking at the Java approach. I'm happy that I'm more comfortable now than earlier. Provided if I could practice more, I would have been more confident. That's the only thing I'm pressing, you from since last 3 or 4 days actually.
Okay. So that's why. They, see,
You
why?
explain all the
Yeah.
you explain all the rules that is 100% applicable. Those things I will be remembering when I put them in practice.
So practice also I will be sent to you. So don't worry
Yeah,
about that. Okay. So practice session
yeah,
I will support and also support. Suppose whenever in future also you have get that, I will be support to you. Because see,
no
this
problem.
is my choice.
That will be helpful.
Why I'm teaching to this is my choice means you can say that hobbies to make the easy to people. Very soon
Yeah,
I will be come to with Python also I will become and Hadoop also I will
mhm.
become with them because I saw in the market people are saying that tough. That's why I'm fighting to him. That kind of people.
Okay,
So no one is the tough
okay,
here. If people will develop this technology means that will easy way.
yeah, that's
But
true.
people
I
are saying
agree.
but people are saying that making the wrong information in the market and to the student or as well as employ people. If you I go to the one company, they are some scared about the hear about the Java. Why? Manager are giving the priority only for those who know the only Java. What about other people? People are saying that, sir, who are knowing the Java, they are giving the much priority remaining other. Remaining people are also the good, but a
Yeah,
technical,
that's true.
but a
That's true.
non-technical people, how to identify that which one is good or which one is bad? Students are crying in front of me. Sir, I am doing that, but people are saying that they are giving the importance only the Java. That's why I'm saying that no, Java is also easy. That's why I am delivered to this way. And finally he is
Okay,
enjoy. Finally he is enjoy.
okay.
So this is where I
What is
will
a
be,
Python?
yeah,
What is a Python?
Python is a different language.
this is also
Yeah, I
Python.
heard about that one. I
Yeah.
heard about that one.
Yeah, this is
I
too much
mean,
popular right
in
now.
future.
Python is also easy. Python is also easy. I will be so. Right now I have a plan.
Okay.
Python is also so easy programming language. I will be proved very soon in the market. Okay. Right now I am also deliver Python. How Python will be work, what will do, what inside that. I will be very soon I will be come into the market. Okay. So
So in
people,
future you are expecting
yeah,
with okay.
Python is also one technique. See, major part is that if you know about the earth, you are eligible for go to the moon. Okay, but people are do not know the importance of the earth. They are try to go to the moon. Is it good?
Yeah, okay.
More number of people you say that they are not understand importance of the earth. Only those people right now eligible for go to the moon. Those only know about the entire information of the earth. Am I right? The same thing happen in the
Mm.
technology. If people are do not know the base information of the technology, what are the Java or so in the, they are run away only for little bit. That's why I'm trying to plan, make first easy and make the depth on that. You will be easily to enjoy the another technology. Right now, Python we have in hand. They are also based work on the Java. If you know the good Java, they have easily to understand the Python. Okay, and they
Okay.
have also no need to require to the compile or directly you can run. That's the advantage. More number of feature inside that. And directly you can also write in the Java means specify the data type. They will understand easily. If you will mention in the string, if you will mention the int type, they will be easily to understand on self Python software. But in Java, they are specify for that you have need to do this kind of the data type, this kind of the data type. That's a different. Got it? Little bit information about that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So that's the my motto is that solve the problem. Any people are tough. I will be try to the easy. That's why I'm spending a time. Anyhow, everything is easy in front of my view. I think I saw also in the during the session. Only
Okay.
for, so only for you have to the practice. I will also say I will really I have no time. So that's why I really issue for that. People are giving the mail and this is the first time for me. But I'm preparing based on your requirement. So don't worry about
Yeah.
that. I will be sent prepare. See here also same logic. Sometime you will be gave that star dimension array regarding all the question I will be prepare and sometime you will be the beginners class encapsulation mapping I preparing right now. So I will be submit to you. Okay, both are preparing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be a permanent. It will be a permanent asset to you. Being a faculty in future classes, it will be handy for you. You don't require to prepare for every time class after class. So the program is ready, exercise is ready. That's it. You will be the champion in the market in terms of training.
Yeah. So this is the way. Suppose whenever whatever I delivered to you, you will easily to understand. Whenever you will start the learning new technology, you will be start first. You will be think what are the keyword. Am I right or not? First, you will
Yes.
think what are the keyword, and then start the learning about the keyword information. Then easily to go to the syntax of the program, and you will be implement. Okay.
Right.
So is there anything else? So your review is also required for me. Okay. And
Yeah, sure.
okay.
But you said you'll be taking a one class for advanced Java, so maybe after 2 weeks, after 3 weeks, if time permits, maybe 1 or 2 hours introduction, that
Okay.
will help us.
Okay. So I think
So,
yeah. Advanced Java, Siwangi or Amit maybe they will schedule. Maybe today or tomorrow they will discuss about that time. Okay.
mhm,
And based
mhm,
on that, I will be deliver the advanced Java. Okay.
mhm.
Inside the advanced Java, mostly we will use Servlet, JSP, and JDBC.
No, 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 no. Hang on. I think you misunderstood that.
Some
We
demo.
may not go, yeah, kind of 1 day introduction. If you
Okay.
can give us exposure,
Okay.
I'll try to check it like, where that those topics are fitting into my requirement.
Okay.
Maybe we'll pick up, which direction we wanted to go. Before I make a call, I need to understand what is core Java versus advanced Java, and what are the different things like, where we can use applet, where we can use servlet, where EJB is coming into the picture, where, these kind of things. If you can give us an overview, maybe from there I can derive the next program for you.
Okay. Okay. I will be give you. So right now, did you understand why in encapsulation before now the encapsulation whatever we have learned hiding and abstraction, am I right? Inside the application,
Correct.
whenever the same class you will be use in the real life, you can say the business class.
Hmm.
Okay, the same class whenever you will be use inside the your servlet, you can say that the Java Bean. Java Bean just like a the business class. Okay, they have a mandatory to extend another class or implement a one interface also. This is the
Hmm.
way. But layout is the same. Inside that you will be declare the all private instance variable. Then you will prepare the greater setter method. Okay, and that class also you can see the data access object. You will be transfer one place to another place.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the way. And if you have any other things you can say, because I know in the JDBC also more growth, all those things. Core Java have also you have so in the API more number of things that, but I web of deliverer, whenever you will get the requirement, you are eligible on this stage to implement on sale.
Okay.
Okay.
Girish, anything that you need to ask?
No, I am okay.
So Sanjay, I know I have your email ID. So if at all I have any questions, maybe we'll be shooting first.
Okay.
These are the things which we are facing trouble. Maybe
Okay.
based on your reply, if required, we'll catch up by phone or by meeting, etc. So,
Yes,
but
yes.
do expect emails from us, and please do respond to us.
Yeah, I will be give you same. Sure, be trust. Okay. So don't worry about
All
that.
right.
See, because
All right.
why I am trust to love? Because people are very and every time is called the student life or employee. But those are working in the IT, they have a guts. They have a knowledge.
Right.
So they have knowledge me how to utilize and how to resource in the real life. I want to represent based on that.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else? What about if you have any your colleague will also you can say that. I hope you will be get that good feedback on that. Okay.
Sure. I mean, I think there'll be a formal procedure for us to get a feedback form, and we'll try to. I'll make sure everybody from my team will be filling up that, and we'll send it back to you. That I'll make sure that.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much and thanks for the team. It-
And we'll talk to you again. Thank
yeah.
you.
Yeah. You can.
Thank you, Raju.
Thank you.
Bye.
Most
Bye.
welcome. Bye.